Hey guys, today I'm gonna broil a pork chop. I have some nice pork sirloin chops here that I got for 77 cents a pound. So been eating these for a few days now and just been cooking them up in my toaster oven, which is the easiest way to do it if you ask me. You could broil these in your big oven, but to me, for just one pork chop, the toaster oven is easier. So I'm just seasoning these with some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper on both sides. I set my oven to broil and I turned it all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I moved the rack up as close as I can to that top heating element, because only the top heating element goes on broil and it stays on. So the top side will cook and then we'll pull it out and turn it over. It's been about 8 minutes, so I'm going to check on this. Looks pretty good. I think I'm going to pull it out and turn it over now. This cast iron pan works good for this, but you can also just use your toaster oven tray if you don't have one. Okay, now we'll get it back in and let that side cook for a little bit. Now we'll get that back in there, and for pork you want the internal temperature of the meat to be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll pull it out and check it with my quick read thermometer in a little bit. Alright, it's been about 7 or 8 minutes on that side, so let's take a look here. That looks pretty good to me. I'm going to check it. Let's check our temperature here. Oh yeah, I said it needs to be at least 145. It's well above that. Let this cool off a little bit. Let's cut into it and see how it looks here. Looks good, looks pretty juicy. Like pork, you want it pretty well cooked. You don't want it, you know, too pink in the middle. So that looks pretty good. Turned out good, nice and juicy. I guess we better see if Annie approves since she showed up. There you go, Annie. Well, she's licking the floor, so I guess it was good. So that should take about 15 to 20 minutes. It'll vary depending on your oven and how thick your meat is. Thanks for watching. See you guys.